All right. It's the next day, if you couldn't tell. I got a haircut. And guess who's going to drive Swather with Dad? Hey.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Tuck. You can go drive Swather?
Yes.
Yeah, we're going to ride tractor, huh? Okay. Oh, your thing fell off. Okay. Let's get your water. We got snacks in a backpack. Uh-oh. It's still. Oh, sorry. I forgot that part.
What is that?
Oh, just in the backpack. Come on. Couldn't find his boots, so he's Jordan's today.
You get my pepper.
Yeah, we're going to get your backpack. Hold my hand. Hey. Come on.
Okay.
Whoa! Good thing you're holding on to my hand. Use my foot. Climb up there. You can do it. There you go.
I'll catch you, Dad.
All right. You ready? Okay, me too. Okay, let's get some diesel. You wait right here with your little seatbelt, okay? Okay. Okie dokie, Tuck.
Yeah. I'm ready, Dad.
You ready, Dad? Say ready,
Yeah.
set, go.
Go.
Okay. Oh. Parking brake off.
Go.
Here we go. Make sure I don't hit the fuel. Shoot. Oh. There we go. That door is shut. All right, we're good. What do you want to say?
Go on the bus.
Oh, yeah, look at all those bugs. Go away, bugs. Okay. Stay here. I'm going to go look at the what's making it feel like that, okay? Dang it. I don't ever drive this thing, so I don't know what I'm looking for, to tell you the truth. Belt looks good. Nothing's. I mean, everything looks fine from here. I don't know. Ah. Is there a thing that latches on there? I said, I don't really know what I'm looking at, so this isn't my area. So everything this has some movement here, but so does the other one. Okay, so that doesn't move at all. Is this it? I would think something that spins that fast should not have that much movement. Nothing. Nothing. Well, that has some. I think it's that. None of the other ones have that much movement. I think this bearing is going out. Darn it. Ugh. Yeah, something that spins at 2,000 RPMs should not be doing that. Well, on one hand, it's good I barely started. On the other hand, it kind of sucks that I made it that far, but I might just call it quits then. It's a Sunday. We won't be able to get parts for anything. At least I could take it apart and have it ready. I mean, nothing here looks bad. We just got a super bad vibration, and that's the only thing I can find. All right, Brian wants to come look, just make sure, but he says that sounds like it to him as well. Tucker, the tractor broke.
Huh?
It broke down.
Huh?
The tractor broke down.
Why?
I don't know, but it broke down. We'll wait for Brian.
Huh?
We're gonna see Brian.
Please.
Yeah, we're gonna go see Brian. Or Brian's gonna come see us.
I want to get out.
You wanna get out?
Yes.
Okay, we get out. Can you say rats?
Rats, man.
Rats, man. Well, the Brian agrees. Bearings out or going out, not out yet, but time to shut it down. Because if you run that deal, it spins at 2,000 RPMs, and if that fails, it can take out the entire head. So it's just not worth doing that. So we're gonna go back to the farm. You excited?
Yeah.
He's been wanting to go back to the farm. Okay, road back to the farm. Back at the shop, get your seatbelt. Brian's already blowing that off. Put that there. Well, be careful. You fell out right there last time. Be careful. Here, let me hold your water. Okay, hold both hands. Both hands. Careful.
Help me. I can want help me.
You can do it. You did it earlier.
Why at the farm?
We're back at the farm.
Why at the farm?
Good job. All right.
Dang it.
Strip?
Yep.
Yay. But they get so worn.
Yeah.
See, wasn't my imagination. There's a little boy around here somewhere. What are you doing? Shoot. Oh no, it doesn't fit in there. Brian says, that's enough for today. Pull these out. Do that Monday. Today's Sunday. Need to be with the family.